First, we have to make the barbecue sauce. All right, already I combined a cup of orange juice, a stick of butter, a half a cup of sugar, and a quarter cup of vinegar and about 2 tablespoons of mustard. I mixed that up, brought it to the boil, and simmered for about 20 minutes. Now, I'm going to add a cup of ketchup, a dash of hot sauce, and now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and finally, salt and pepper. Then I'm going to stir this all around and let simmer for another about 10 minutes or so. I think I let it go for another 20, even 20. And that's how you make the orange barbecue sauce. Now then, welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as most of you are not subscribed. Leave a comment, it helps the video out a ton, and click the bell notification so you know any time I go live. All right, now YouTube has what it wants from me. Let's get on to the dish today. It's a barbecue chicken salad sandwich. As you can see here, in a bowl, I have 2.5 cups of shredded up chicken. I added 1/3 cup of Duke's mayo, along with 1/3 cup of that orange barbecue sauce that we made. Then I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, some salt, and freshly ground black pepper. And then finally, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of dill pickle relish. And then just stir everything around till everything is combined and mixed well. And you can cover this for up to 24 hours before you make your sandwich, but I'm hungry now, so I'm going to cook it now. All right, I have our griddle all buttered up here, and now I have a loaf of sourdough sub bread, and give this a couple of minutes to get all nice and toasty. Okay, we got our bread all nice and toasted up. I've added some Duke's mayo to the top half of our sandwich. Now I'm adding that orange barbecue chicken salad we made up. Then we're going to add some cheddar cheese. And then some shreddis. Followed by some pickles. And then put the top on. And that's pretty much it. Let's get a cross section. And let's pull it apart. And boom. An orange barbecue chicken salad sandwich. Done.